Rizal. First game of our Monday triple hitter to begin the brand new month of June. Quezon Huskers in white, Sarangani in red. The tip going to the side of the 7-0 Quezon Huskers.
I like the backward tandem of Quezon, which they have Judel Fuentes and Cyrus Dabi.
Tagtag mo pa dyan. Man in the middle, Seth Manzano.
Yes, and actually, tama ka doon, Ken. Sabi mo nga, hindi napapansin, but they are 7-0 here in this season. So, dahan-dahan, hindi sila napapansin, pero
Yung mga veterans like Wilma Caloni, Chris Lalata, Cyrus Tabi, who came from Pasay, as Lars Sunga will score. First basket yan para sa Sarangani. And then you have the collegiate guys like Seth Manzano. And, you know, what do you make of this roster moving forward? They have looming matchups later this month against, hindi nagkaamali, Abra.
Boost his team with a lot of young players.
LGR, the official outfitter of the MPBL. This guy is shooting the lights out from beyond the arc. 62.5%. Sa palagay ko, yung katabi ko, naaakilit sa mga ganyang usapan. Ano sa palagay mo, Coach Vic?
alam mo naman kami mga coaches, sa court lang kami matatapang.
Overlook aspect when it comes to a life of a coach. Kasi isipin mo, padre pe pamilya ka, as you see this basket go down for Mike Cañete.
Yeah, that's what we call support. Talagang nakakatawa the wife of Coach Eric and the kids are really here to
Not take the shot, they swing it. Mike Cañete with a better look, and he knocks down the three from the left corner. Manzano can't finish, got it back. Block from behind, another block from one of the block leaders. One and done for Sarangani. Hierro, bounce pass inside, easy pickings underneath for Seth Manzano. It's brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL.
soaring Falcons, kaya magkabisada na nila isa't isa.
Sports Plus is the official sports book of the MPBL. Scan the QR code to play or visit www.sportsplus.ph. They skip it though. Diego Dario, he misses, but there to clean it up is their leading rebounder this season, Chris Lalata. Was their leading scorer that season. You can see John Abate. Meanwhile, Ivan Ludovice soars and scores.
National University yan. College. So, sobrang ganda ng attitude, sobrang sipag ng batang yan. And he's really, I think he's going...
Napunta kay Tan, 6 na segundo na lang sa ilang shot clock. Tan makes his move, pull-up jumper. That was tough. Tayo tumanggap. John Abate, one dribble. 3-point shot is good.
Converting, I think they have converted already 4 in this ball game.
Nakaagaw pa sila dito. Christian Pagaran, look out. He will slam it home.
Sobrang ganda eh. Hanggang maluwag.
Fast player in the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of MPBL. Sinalbak ni Christian Pagaran. Diego Dario runs the floor. Pagaran. Pass to the outside. Abate. Good pass. Diego Dario on target from downtown.
Another 3-point.
Sumatrabaho pa sila sa depensa. Steal leads to a fast break layup from Diego Dario.
Turns and tendencies, whether he's playing or coming off the bench. With numbers speaking as an evidence of his reliability, sabi ni Diego, tapos na siya doon sa era kung saan may kailangan siyang patunayan.
Kuwari, ikaw, ng opportunity. Yung stint mo dito sa panel
President of the WMPBL and also a businessman. But in this journey of Sarangani against an undefeated team, they hope to limit Quezon to at least
against Coach Vic na yung mga manlalaro na playing to saying teams na hindi masyadong contenders. Case in point, si Warno Batak. Nagkaroon siya ng opportunity with Muntinlupa. Soyo, 5 segundo sa shot clock ng Sarangani. Tumira si Tan sa 3. Pasok yan.
Talagang pinahihirapan ng Quezon Huskers tong Sarangani with their defense.
Cyrus Tabi, isolated against Alex De Soyo. Takes the free and makes it again. coming in from beyond the arc. MoneyPay is the digital wallet built for the community. Binawi din naman ni CJ Tan, who's having himself. Fuentes tumanggap galing kay Cyrus Tabi. Can't hit the free. Tabi gets offensive rebound. Almost got it in, but there to clean it up was his backcourt buddy, Judel Fuentes. In rebounding for the Huskers. Oh, what a pass inside. Sunga, but the recovery by Cañete. Sunga na igapang paloob yung kanyang tira on the second effort. Pating backdoor, Cañete, one-hander, wala. Nasa kanya pa rin ang bola, rising up to the other side for two. About 50% from the field, the Quezon Huskers. From Barangay San Roque, Cainta Rizal. Lista mo na yan, galing kay Migs Pascual. Mga ilang lakad dito sa court natin. 21-12, make that 23-12. Scoring for Quezon in this quarter. Sed Manzano with another inside incursion.
Batang to.
Turmul eh. Barilao. Face-up jumper over Mike Cañete. He hits it. That time a miss. Cyrus Tabi. Pass to the outside. Cañete lock and loaded from rainbow distance. Opiso. That's what he does best. Those baseline mid-range jumpers. Sa loob, Mintis. Nakuha pa rin na yung bola. Manzano will score underneath once more. Di Campanal, street clothes lang din.
Wala pa pala si Gab Banal.
Oo. Joshua Hierro with a pull-up. I'm sure Coach Vic, hindi naman sa nirarap in ko sa ito pero known fact kasi ito they have laid out the last 3 years for their squad as Judel Fuentes with a turnaround jumper making it look easy. Sa lahat ng mga players na ganun kagagaling. Pero yun nga if you have people like they have that have bought in.
Yan lang yon for it to be successful.
Past the halfway point of the third quarter. Estacio, hirap na tira yun Pasa ito Peng Lagrama to the post. Opiso, balik kay Fuentes.
Lista mo na.
Fuentes still on the floor. He's the only guy who's averaging over 20 minutes. Pero a little over 20 minutes nga lang as offensive efficiency in the league. Sports Plus is the official sports book of the MPBL. Scan a QR code to play or visit www.sportsplus.ph. Patapos na tayo sa third quarter. They only have 33 points to show in the first 30 minutes. Christian Magaran.
Timing lahat yan Hindi lang basta laro ka lang ng laro. Talagang may may buwelo yan
John Abate rising up for the layup because of the attitude he has of just embracing it, embracing his role with the team. Slowly but surely, he is finding ways to contribute for the Quezon Huskers. Ken Pangilinan, Coach Vic Icasiano, Lampi Cristobal ang yung mga kasama. Third quarter, so na talagang namayagpag ang Quezon 18-7. John Abate from the corner hits the free.
Will be achieved halfway this year. First, ay sana nga daw makakuha sila ng national championship this year, and second is to snatch also that Rookie of the Year award. Though in terms of minutes,
gustong pumoste si Diego Dario, kanyang susubukan. Pinasa na lang niya sa labas. Lock up sa 3. Pasok yan.
Now lock up.
Maliano. Pass to the outside. Lars Sunga. In and out dribble. Off the glass. Lays it in. Opiso. Balik kay Diego Dario. Crossover. Dario. Can't finish. Gravera trying to stick it back in. Third effort is there for Rodel Gravera. Abate with the rebound. Quezon taking their time. Cruising along. Ryan lock up. sneaks in. The layup is good for Brian Lacap, 76-47.
Magandang hapon, Coach Mike.
Paggabi naman na.
Ano oras na ba? Di ba? 5 something pa, 5:40. So magandang hapon, Coach Mike.
Si Jake.
Jake Figueroa, 5 years din.
Yun nga, yung pinag-uusapan natin last Friday, nakita ko yung post ni Nash. Desoyo with a long two-pointer. Nakita ko yung
Coach John Calios, a reminder that there will always be a person or even some people who will believe in you in whichever season you are in.
rebound na kuha ni Cholo. Manansala! Nabitin!
Nag-alangan dun si Cholo. Kala ko nga, idadunk ni
Kaya
Cholo.
nga eh. Got thrown off. Jake Otario comes away with a steal. Great pass. Manansala will throw it down. Last 2 minutes brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL. Pero yung mga bagong muka sa kanilang team, Brian Lacap, another triple. Ambra, they will be facing later on this month. Batangas City. Meron pa silang Caloocan at San Juan. Cravera with a lefty throwdown.
Parang ang dali nung pagkakagawa ni Cravera. What you were talking about, I think they could match up properly because you could see yung ano nila yung the contenders here in the MPBL.
Cravera Mintes. Matakbo si CJ Tan. Tries another free and he hits it. Back-to-back triples from C. Lagrama creating separation. His free is good as well. So that's something to look out for para sa mga Quezonians na masugid na taga-subaybay ng Quezon Huskers. They will pick up this victory against the Sarangani squad, who a cohesive unit. Pero siya pa rin ang ating napiling best player of the game, brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL. Okay, what do you
Grabe
say?
yung kamay ni Jodel Fuentes, hindi nagbago eh. Parang hindi na-injure eh.
Yeah, just such a smooth scorer to see Judel Fuentes hitting threes, full of Jays, getting into the paint. Entering his 3rd consecutive season with Quezon, oozing with confidence.